Welcome to 11261 Piper Peak Lane here in the Vistas in Summerlin. Welcome to my listing. Let's go check it out. So this gorgeous house features 1,635 square feet of living space, 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, 2-car garage. What I love about it is it's single story. It's a townhouse, seems like a regular house, but it's got a nice sized backyard where the owner just put a lot of love, a lot of money into the backyard. So you guys are gonna love it. Let's check it out. So we're here in the backyard of Piper Peak Lane where the owner has just finished renovation of the backyard, and wow, it's just fire pit, covered gazebo, amazing stone patio, mature trees that he paid a lot of money just to have the bigger ones put in so they didn't have to wait for them to grow. You know, there's just a lot of things to love about this backyard. I know you're gonna love it. So we're standing here in the kitchen at Piper Peak, and the owner has just put a lot of work and a lot of love into this house. This was their primary residence for many years. Laminate floors, solid surface countertops, upgraded painting. All of the appliances match, all stainless steel appliances. The cabinetry, it's got the pull-out drawers, which is nice. Now you don't see that in every house. Garage has epoxy flooring. They've left all the racks, so there's like a ton of storage in the garage. I promise you guys are gonna love this house. You gotta come check it out.